today's episode we're doing something a little bit different. Instead of working on that pile of garbage over there, we're working on this pile of garbage, which is actually a bigger pile of garbage than that one. It's 03 RM250. Seemed alright at first for $1,000. I picked it up. There's a reason it was $1,000, which I found out a couple days ago. It has a cracked cylinder and the transmission doesn't shift right half the time. So yeah, I gotta take it apart and rebuild it. Let's get right into that then. Everything is disconnected, so it's time to pour coolant everywhere because that's a little bit didn't come out. Clutch is off, TPS is off, all that flywheel stuff, that's off. Carbs off, throttle's out, throttle cable, spark. Yeah, I think it's everything, so I think it's time to pull it out. Well, this way with it. Alright, it's out. Alright, so the engine's out. Pretty straightforward, wasn't too bad. It's a dirt bike, they're really simple. Hair's looking good, I know. So I'm gonna get the bench cleaned up, get the table cleaned, everything organized again, and then we'll put it on the bench. We'll start taking the engine apart and see what nightmares we find, because there's gonna be a lot. take this pin out, this wrist pin, and if you guys ever rebuilt one of these things, you're gonna top end your motorcycle, you know how much fun this little E-clip type thing is. It likes to just pop out and go wherever. So, get some some rags. I know can't be using paper products, Corona, they can't, I'm savoring them, but it's fine. That only took way longer than it should have. All right. Let's get it. Start get it. Oh, sweet. That's what I'm talking about. Let's start tearing it down. Hey, huge thanks to my neighbor who let me this. Alright, so it's the next day. Everything torn apart except for the cases are still together. I don't have a case splitting tool. I ordered one last night though, so it's supposed to be here either tomorrow or Friday. So that'd be pretty cool if that came in. Today's Wednesday. So that'd be cool if that came in. So what we're gonna do in the meantime is we're gonna start pulling the rest of the bike apart, do some other work to it, and we're gonna pull that power valve apart and get that all cleaned up. So alright, let's get into it. All right, power valves apart. Sorry I didn't film the rest of it. My phone ran out of battery. Yeah, that's why I use the film, is my phone. Ran out of battery, died. I didn't realize it. So that's all I got is the film for the. That's all I got for filming that. But anyways, what came in the mail? Yep. All right, unpackaged it. I was so excited. But yeah, it's here. So it's time to pull the cases apart. Yep. Pick up. So, I think I found the issue, or one of them at least. Yeah. That's not supposed to be there. That should be right up there. Alright, so the engine's all apart. Minus for the crank's still in it. I'll figure out how to take that out. I haven't taken that out yet. It's stuck. It doesn't want to come out. Of course, everything's stuck on this engine. Start cleaning it tomorrow. That'll be next video. Let's see me. I'll start cleaning the engine and all that. I'll pull all the bearings out, but I'm not going to film that. I don't think you guys want to see that. If you guys like this content, you can give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel so far, maybe consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram at FastJacksGarage for like news and updates and stuff like that. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.